What's up guys, I'm Akila. Welcome to today's video. We're going to be trying out a new brand. Well, they're not that new, but they're new to me. We're going to be trying out Focallure. I think that's how you say it. I'm not too sure. They recently reached out to me and sent me a few of their newer items. I think they're based in China. But when I received their makeup and I opened it, like, the makeup was just a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. Like, no shade, but sometimes when I think of makeup that comes from overseas, sometimes I think of like counterfeit makeup and like bad ingredients. But with this company, it's not like that. All of their makeup is cruelty free, so that means they're not tested on animals, and they also try their best to use the best ingredients possible, and they also have a pretty decent price point. It's kind of similar to ColourPop, where they do everything in-house. They have their own lab, they have their own marketing and designing team under one roof. All of that keeps the price pretty low. So we're gonna go ahead and just like jump into the products. Since I already did my brows, I'm just gonna talk to you about their Artist Superfine Eyebrow Pencil, and this is what it looks like. It's very slim, comes with the brush on the other end. It does have a pretty fine tip. I'm gonna compare it to my ABH pencil. Yeah, I think it's a little bit skinnier than the ABH pencil. And another cool thing about their eyebrow pencil, like, it comes in this really nice box, but there's an insert inside and it has a refillable cartridge inside. So I'm guessing whenever I run out in this pencil, I can replace it with this one. Yeah, it's so cool. I've never seen anything like that before. This shade that I have on my brow right now is it's number 4. I believe it's the darkest shade. Well, yeah, it's a darker shade and it's called Taupe. So even though it works for me right now, it's definitely more on the cool side, and sometimes when it mixed with my foundation, it kind of looks a little bit of green, but I like it. I do see myself using it. This is the eyeshadow palette that they sent me, and it's called Perth. They're all based on like cities. There's Paris and a few others. And it has 15 eyeshadows, and this is what it looks like inside. Just like, look how pretty that is. Stunning. And it has like this really nice mirror. The packaging is so nice. Like, I was kind of flabbergasted. Like, this packaging is kind of better than a lot of makeup brands that's in the States. I just wasn't expecting that. This blue color right here is like calling my name. It's so pretty. Let's swatch it. Stunning. So pretty. That is so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the eyeshadow. My lids, I didn't prime my lids, but they have concealer on them and they're set. I think I'm gonna start with this shade right here called Coral Leaf, and it has pigment. That is pretty. Like, I am getting fallout, but there is pigment, so I can't complain about the fallout too much. I'm gonna go ahead and blow out that color. We're gonna try this cream shade right here called Beaches. I just wanted to blend this out. To add some dimension, I'm gonna use Mount Eliza, a brown shade right here. Like, all of these shades are so pigmented so far. And I'm gonna go back into Coral Reef again and mix everything together. That looks so pretty so far. I'm not doing a cut crease. I'm not in the mood, but I do want to use Perth, this metallic blue shade right here. So it's going to be more of a blown out look. So I'm going to just use a brush and I'm going to try to pat it in at first, and then if it's not giving me what I want, I'm going to go in with my finger as usual. Like, it's okay on the brush, but I'm definitely going to go in with my finger, and I'm taking it above my crease. So this is the eyeshadow. I'm not completely done with the eyes, but we're gonna move on. I also have their liquid eyeliner. It's a brush tip. When I used this earlier, I was like super excited because like you barely have to touch your skin to like get it to work. It's so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a wing. I really like this liner. It's like super smooth and like easy to control. While doing my makeup, I accidentally already put on bronzer and they sent me a bronzer, so I'm kind of mad about that. But they sent me the Sculpt and Glow palette. It has a pretty big mirror. It has a bronzer and a highlighter. This bronzer is not gonna work for me. I'm not sure if I picked the wrong one, but this one is number 3, Ipanema Sun and Champagne Pop. I'm pretty sure I said that wrong. I'm sorry. I think that color could contour my nose, maybe. Let's see. You know that gray tone of contour? Like that's what this is. But I definitely could do my nose with it. So I'm gonna try the rest of my face. Yeah, I can use this. I would use it in conjunction with a warmer bronzer because this is more of that gray shadow kind of look. But it does work. Okay, so there's a highlighter in this one. Oh, it feels really buttery. And oh, it's pretty. They also sent me this highlighter as well. I know it looks a little suspicious. It's called Fantasyland, but when you put it on, it's so pretty. It's more of like a glittery kind of topper. They also sent me their monochromatic blush duo. Look how pretty this is. And this is in number 5 Caramel Coffee. I'm pretty sure I can't use that as a blush, but it's such a pretty shade. I thought about it for a bronzer. Like I already have on so much bronzer as it is, but I'm gonna try it anyways. It kind of does look like a blush though. Like if I use my bronzer as a blush. I'm trying to show you what the shimmer side looks like, but it's not really swatching well. I'm gonna use it as like a blush topper. Yeah, that's really pretty. And I'm gonna just use this highlighter right here. Oh, it's, oh. I'm used to like a more golden kind of highlighter, but it's not bad. It's just not what I'm accustomed to. Like, OMG, I am glowing. It looks like Facetune. Like that's how in your face it is. And just because I can't help myself, I'm still going to use this other highlighter too. Just to see what it looks like on my skin tone. It's just like a nice glittery pink. It's pretty. Another good thing about this brand is I know I didn't mention it because I unwrapped everything already, but everything comes like saran wrapped in this plastic. So like, you know, it hasn't been tampered with, the plastic. And this is their capsule lipsticks. Comes in this plastic packaging. And look at it, it looks like a little pill. It's very small, but you know, I guess it's supposed to be travel friendly. This one is in the shade number 4 Mercury Retrograde. Like my hand is so swatched up, but I'm just gonna swatch on top. Oh wow, I don't know why, but like in the packaging I was expecting it just to look red, but it's an orange kind of shade. I have another one. This one is in the shade number 8 Hell Yeah. They're so creamy and like the color payoff is so nice. Okay, and this one's called number 1 Important Meeting. This color and pigmentation, they did a really good job. I'm gonna try the middle one, even though that's not really what I want to do with this look, but I'm gonna try it anyways, just to see what it looks like on my lips. Okay, so this is gonna be Hell Yeah. Like, I mean, it feels amazing on the lips. Like, this formula is so nice. Look how opaque that is. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, and then if it's bothering me towards the end, then I'm gonna change it. But as of right now, It's kind of a vibe. Okay guys, this is my final look using products from Focallure, and I was blown away when I opened up the box, and I'm still in awe because the products are such good quality. Like, I am shooketh. I forgot to mention that, but because of where the company is from, it does take like a week and some change for it to get here. I live in Miami, so it kind of takes a while. But yeah, I do see myself ordering from them outside of them sending me stuff. I do have a code. I don't know it right now, but I would leave it on the screen and down below if you guys would like to purchase anything from them. Well, that wraps up today's video. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.